a film by Micala, My Blue Eyes.
Have you ever wondered where your genes come from? Not those genes. Genes as in blue eyes, brown hair, or skin color. The gene is inside of the deoxyribonucleic acid, also known as DNA. Genes control your hereditary characteristics. Genes carry the proteins to all of the cells in your body to do so. Scientists estimate that there are over 100,000 genes in your entire body.
That's a lot of genes.
Gregor Mendel concluded that there are two alleles that are responsible for each characteristic of the offspring. Hey Mendel!
What?
Is it true?
Oh yeah, I conclude that there are two alleles that are responsible for each characteristic of the offspring.
Well, there you have it. Wait a second. Aren't you supposed to be dead?
Bye!
Alleles could either be dominant or recessive. Dominant is the allele that rules over the recessive allele, and it has a possibility in showing up in the offspring. The recessive allele does not have a possibility in showing up in the offspring, but will have the hidden allele. Let me introduce you to what is called a Punnett square. The Punnett square is used to find the probability of a gene the offspring might have. The uppercase letters mean dominant and the lowercase represent recessive. When using a Punnett square, you have to remember dominant always goes first. To fill in the Punnett square, you have to look what letter is above it and to the left of it. They are both dominant. If they are both dominant, then they stand side by side. Same thing if they're recessive. The dominant letter would go first and the recessive to the right of it. Since there are 4 boxes in a Punnett square, the offspring has 1/4 of a chance of showing in any one of those squares. Let's say I did a Punnett square to see what the offspring's eye color would be. Only one of those 4 boxes would determine that. When?
I've always wondered why I have blue eyes. Then I decided to ask my mom. Hey Mom, why do I have blue eyes if you and Dad both have brown eyes? Was I adopted?
No, you weren't adopted, silly. My mother had blue eyes, and your dad's mom had blue eyes. So your dad and I both carry the recessive gene for blue eyes. And so you must have 2 recessive genes for blue eyes.
Oh, thanks Mom. That really cleared up the whole adoption thing.
I'm glad I was able to help.
Now I know why I have blue eyes and my parents both have brown eyes.